Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
A fetal heartbeat is usually detected by ultrasound around 6 weeks into pregnancy. A transvaginal scan at this stage gives the clearest view. Before 6 weeks, the embryo is often too small to see the heartbeat. By 7 to 8 weeks, most scans clearly show a steady heartbeat, offering reassurance about the pregnancy's progress.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.